So this is the back of the garage, and the water is literally flooding through from underneath the damp proofing, and you can hear it. It's almost like a clicking sound.